Today we are talking about Lwa DEREAL in Haitian Voodoo. Lwa DEREAL is part of the soft lois that are called Lwa Blanc in Haitian Voodoo. For example, Dambala, Agwe, Ezulifreda, and so on. Lwa DEREAL is a Daomean loi from the ancient city of Dahomey. That loi is very powerful. A lot of people don't know about Lwa DEREAL because they are neglected, but they are a very beautiful loi that deserves to be appreciated more. Most of the servants of Lwa DEREAL are in the capital of the country, and the ceremonies dedicated towards Lwa DEREAL usually takes place in Lwa DEREAL. Lwa DEREAL, this is how they called the sanctuary, that is directed by a society of practitioners called Servanite de la Sous Odin, which has as an emperor or leader Ogan Vladimir. 8 times out of 10, if you hear a ceremony is taking place to honor DEREAL, it is actually taking place in Lwa Odin. Although Lwa DEREAL is not that popular amongst the lois in Haitian Voodoo, the word DEREAL is very popular. People just don't know if there's a deity that bears this name. The word DEREAL is mostly used in the Massimadi community in Haiti. Massimadi is how we say LGBTQ in Haiti. DEREAL is a boy or man that is girly, effeminated, so they speak and act like a girl. As a coincidence or not, Lwa DEREAL is widely known to only mount men when they come into possession of a person. They do not mount women, and when they mount a man, that man may be the toughest of men, very manly and muscular. They will act very girly, speak and walk like a girl. This loi is very classy, sassy, and can be joyful or very mean. A lot of people associate this loi with Ezulifreda because of how they act while in possession, and some people even say Lwa DEREAL is Ezulifreda's sister. The other spirit that walks closely with DEREAL is Ontor, who is the personified deity of Tambu. We will talk about them in another video. Lwa DEREAL loves people that are clean, smell good, know how to dress, classy, and they love men a lot. As offerings, you can give them what they like: flowers, fruits. Their drinks are champagne, white or pink wine, sweet drinks, and so on. As a sacrifice, give them a white chicken or pigeon. Their colors are the 7 colors of the rainbow. In a DEREAL ceremony, you may see several rainbow umbrellas as a decoration in the sanctuary. Their energy vibrates in several elements in nature, like water, air, the sun, and so on. The reason why you don't hear people talking about this deity is because they often neglect their reglement, which are their requirements or principles. Since they mostly love men and want to work with men, they turn men girly in possession. A lot of people are afraid of them. They think they might turn them homosexuals. But with all due respect and sincerity, to follow a law's principles or serve a law won't change your sexual orientation if you are not already gay. A girly boy is a natural thing. There's no problem in it whatsoever. Diversity had to exist in order for us to appreciate beauty in our uniqueness. The world is not black and white. There's a little city called DEREAL in the north side of Haiti, Cap Haitian. In that city, there's a really big sanctuary called Lwa DEREAL. It is a very beautiful place for those who would like to visit cultural, natural, historical places in Haiti. We don't know actually what type of ties that place has with DEREAL, but it seems like that place is where DEREAL's energy is the strongest. This is the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share the videos so that more people can know about this channel. And if you would like to support me, please click the thanks button under the video, or check my PayPal information in my bio information. Thank you so much. Take care and see you in another video.